This is a very highly specialized course. We are looking at design of various riser system. A riser system and hydrodynamics course was designed as a part of MSc in subsea engineering, and it could be taken as a part of the program, but also as a standalone course for those engineers who are interested in riser system and perhaps need to be involved in design of those systems. The riser system play a key part in offshore oil and gas industry. Those are systems which allows to bring hydrocarbon from the seabed to the offshore installation. So it is a course which will allow you to select appropriate riser system for your particular field and will allow you to design the system in order to fulfill your project. We start the course with an overview of various riser systems and where they're relevant and where they're applicable and what kind of equipment work with those systems. Then we'll look at the fundamentals of hydrodynamics loading and how we model the forces acting on the risers in basically sea environment. Then we look at fundamental behavior of the riser system in terms of how we can model it and derive equations of motion to describe the system and solve them in order to calculate displacement and stresses, and eventually work out how long the riser system will last in a particular configuration. Then we also will be looking at the fundamental behavior of the system which are exposed to this type of loading and calculate displacement and stresses and fatigue life. And once we understand in general what kind of model could be used and equations of motions which are required to be solved, we will proceed to look at specific systems such as steel continuous riser, hybrid riser, top tension risers, and hybrid risers, all the components which those systems have, selection of these components, service life of these components, and in general service life of the whole system. In teaching this course, we involve both academic staff on the university, but we also bring experts from the industry who share their knowledge and latest technological development. Aberdeen is a center of excellence in subsea engineering across the world. A lot of projects which are developed here will be executed in various locations across the globe. So we have access to the best materials and the best latest technological advances in riser system design, and we will be bringing industry experts to share this knowledge with our students.